Here is my Spirit Trap Cosmetic kit installed on a Spirit Trap. So no painting, nothing else. All I did was install the components from the kit. I just wanted to give you nice squeaky wheels, or a view of what that would do. And behaves just like it did before. Real potentiometer here, and this is an aluminum knob. Real deal resistor there. Almost functional switches on this side. They're not actually attached to real knobs, but like these are screwed in, and they do move a little bit. So, not that I'd use it too often, but they look nice. They can be adjusted. And the other part is, I was real concerned about how strong that was going to be, the hose connector. So inside here we have this large 3D printed piece that holds the nuts on the inside, and so this thing is very secure. No chance that that's going to be a problem. So hopefully that'll be a wonderful new addition for your outfit.